咱来看法国一个当代艺术家 David， 伊用电脑程式的运算法来产生印象派风格作品。有人讲这是侵犯智慧财产权，不过嘛有人讲人类本身的创意是机器永远无法度取代的。
壁顶挂真侪大寸石的电视荧幕，内面放动态影片。这毋是电器行伫咧卖电视，而是2023年度福列兹当代艺术展伫咧伦敦的会场。今年41岁法国当代艺术家大卫夸约拉以热天的花园做主题，用实现社会软体程式甲翕来影像，经过电脑处理，以印象派画风的风格，伫几个荧幕顶头放出来。19世纪后半期的印象派，伫即卖一个真侪作品流传，也定定是画展的主题。跨越拉讲，印象派大部分拢是以大自然做主题，也启发伊这边的作品。
I like to see the work almost in that tradition, like kind of continuing that traditions, but doing so with a very different technological apparatuses and as a sort of collaborative endeavor with different type of machines and systems.
跨越拉正早就用电脑演算法来创作。有当时现场一个搭配音乐演奏，互观众同时有视觉甲听觉的体验。而主张演算法甚至是人工智慧，只不过是工具，是艺术家伫咧创作时阵的合作伙伴。
I like to see technology a bit more as a collaborator in the sense. So in my studio, we develop a lot of technology, develop systems and software that become for me like what musical instrument could be for a musician.
不过，并不是所有艺术家拢赞同跨越拉的做法。当人工智慧开始被用来产生艺术作品，美国甚至有艺术家提诉讼，讲人工智慧涉嫌抄袭创意，侵犯智慧财产权。不过有艺术评论家是讲，科技甲艺术的关系其实无需要这么紧张。
There's also space for artists to work with AI. It's another tool, just like the advent of photography and cinema allowed artists to have new tools to work with. Likewise, AI and algorithms can be something that artists can use to generate artworks.
面对科技甲艺术愈来愈模糊的界线，跨越拉认为，艺术的核心是人类本身的创意，这是机器无法度取代。公司新闻，徐嘉玲编辑。